In today's video, I'll teach you how to create a market in Kalshi. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link, kalshi.com/market-makers. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Kalshi. So you'll not be able to directly create the market in Kalshi. In order to create the market, you have to become a market maker. For that, what you have to do is simply apply to the program. In order to do that, scroll down in this interface. Now you'll be able to find this section for apply to become a market maker. What you have to do is simply submit these informations that you can see on the screen. First of all, enter the full name over here. Likewise, provide your email address. Now after you do that, what you have to do is enter your organization over here. Now once you do that, scroll down, you'll be able to find this section for type. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, click on this option submit that you can see on the screen. Now Kalshi will review your submission. If you become the market maker, you'll be able to receive the perks including reduced fees, specific position limits and enhanced access. Through the enhanced access, you'll be able to create the market. So simply wait for the submission to be approved. Keep in mind you must adhere to the compliance rules in order to become the market maker. Kalshi will review your financial resources, experience and reputation and approve your submission. After that, you'll be able to create the market. So that is how you create a market on Kalshi. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.